Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power and a restart out of the way, because most faults clear after a hardware reset. Press and hold the digital crown and side button together for about 10 seconds. Release when the Apple logo appears. While it reboots, make sure the charger is the original or a certified 5W+ unit and that the back contacts are clean. Once done, confirm the battery level is at least 20%. This avoids boot loops and allows the next troubleshooting steps to proceed reliably. Next, you focus on the software link between the watch and phone, because most failures are connectivity related. First, verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the paired iPhone are active and airplane mode is off. If the watch won't sync, open the watch app and try a manual update or unpair, then repair the device. Unpairing forces a fresh pairing record. If pairing still fails, reset network settings on the iPhone, because corrupted Bluetooth profiles often prevent restoration. Then attempt pairing again and watch for errors. For stubborn problems, you move to deeper recovery and hardware assessment, because software fixes can only go so far. If the watch OS update fails repeatedly, place the watch in DFU or recovery mode and perform a clean restore through the watch app or Finder. This removes corrupted system files. Inspect the case for impact damage or swelling battery, and if present, arrange an authorized service repair. If none of this works, use the one key troubleshooting tip. Gather diagnostics and contact Apple support. Their logs pinpoint hardware versus software failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.